Welcome to the DIY Honda Garage channel. The DTC P061B indicates a malfunction within the Powertrain Control Module, also referred to as the PCM. This error specifically relates to an internal fault in torque calculation within the PCM. The PCM is a critical component in managing engine and transmission performance, as it processes various inputs and controls related outputs to optimize vehicle operation. When the PCM detects an internal issue, it logs the DTC P061B and may affect driving performance. It's essential to understand that the PCM computes torque based on engine parameters, which directly influences vehicle performance. This malfunction could lead to various driving complications if not addressed promptly. The DTC P061B error centers around the Powertrain Control Module, commonly termed PCM. This module plays a pivotal role in regulating engine performance by processing real-time data from various sensors and making necessary adjustments for optimal operation. The PCM is typically located in the engine compartment and is responsible for functions such as ignition timing, fuel delivery, and other critical parameters affecting engine behavior. It uses inputs from sensors like the accelerator pedal position APP sensor, among others, to calculate the torque needed at any given moment. Any internal malfunction in the PCM can disrupt these calculations, leading to performance issues. Detecting this malfunction is crucial for vehicle maintenance. Several potential causes could lead to the DTC P061B error. Firstly, a faulty powertrain control module itself is a primary suspect. Internal components, such as circuits or chips, may fail, resulting in incorrect torque calculations. Next, electrical connection issues can also prompt this DTC. Loose or corroded connections between the PCM and other vehicle systems might disrupt signaling or power supply. Additionally, software corruption within the PCM may lead to erratic behaviors or inability to process data accurately, causing the system to register an internal malfunction. It's important to investigate these causes meticulously to ascertain the root of the issue. The DTC P061B can manifest several symptoms that may affect vehicle operation. For starters, the most common symptom is the illumination of the check engine light, CEL, on the dashboard, which alerts the driver to a malfunction. Drivers may also experience poor engine performance due to the PCM not effectively managing power delivery and torque. Additionally, there may be instances of unresponsive acceleration, where the vehicle does not react when the accelerator pedal is pressed. In some cases, erratic engine behavior or stalling might occur, prompting further investigation. Paying attention to these symptoms is crucial for maintaining vehicle health. The first step in troubleshooting the DTC P061B involves conducting a test drive of the vehicle to monitor its performance under varying conditions. It is essential to pay close attention to the onboard snapshot parameters recorded during the ride. Particularly, you will want to observe the engine speed and the output from the accelerator pedal position sensor, also known as the APP sensor. This data could provide insights into how the PCM is reacting in real time and whether it is effectively processing input signals. If abnormalities are detected in these parameters, it suggests a deeper underlying issue within the PCM that needs to be further investigated. The next step requires a thorough inspection of the Powertrain Control Module itself. Inspecting the PCM's physical condition is important. Look for any visible external damage, signs of corrosion, or even water ingress, which may compromise its functionality. Along with this, checking all associated connections and wiring is crucial as well. This means looking for any loose connectors, frayed wires, or other electrical issues that could be interrupting communication between the PCM and other components. Proper connectivity is key for reliable performance of the PCM, and even minor defects in wiring can lead to significant malfunctions. If the previous inspections confirm that the PCM is indeed malfunctioning, the ideal resolution involves replacing the unit with a functioning equivalent. After the replacement, it is vital to recheck the functionality of the complete system to ensure that the issue is resolved properly. This includes re-evaluating the engine parameters and validating whether the new PCM is correctly calculating torque as intended. Once confirmed, the next step is to clear the DTC stored in the system. Clearing the code not only resets the vehicle's diagnostic monitoring, but also ensures that future issues can be detected early. Upon completing the repairs for DTC P061B, it's essential to conduct a final verification process to affirm that the issue has been fully resolved. Start by ensuring that all previously logged diagnostic trouble codes (DTCs) have been effectively cleared from the vehicle system. Following this, perform another test drive to observe the vehicle's behavior under various driving conditions. During this drive, closely monitor the engine performance and functionality. Ensure that it operates smoothly, without any indicators of previous issues resurfacing. This step ensures that the repair was successful, providing peace of mind to the owner that their vehicle is functioning optimally. To prevent future occurrences of DTC P061B, engaging in regular preventive maintenance practices is commendable. Start with the regular inspection of the PCM connections. Ensuring that the wiring harnesses are tight, undamaged, and free from corrosion is vital. Regularly checking for software updates from Honda can also help in maintaining the PCM's optimal operation. New updates can rectify known issues and improve performance. Furthermore, it would be beneficial to ensure that the PCM is well protected from environmental factors, such as moisture or excessive heat, by keeping areas around the module clean and insulated. These practices will help prolong the lifespan of the PCM, maintaining the vehicle's efficiency and reliability. In conclusion, addressing the DTC P061B error necessitates a thorough understanding of the Powertrain Control Module's functions and its integral role in vehicle performance. Recognizing the symptoms associated with this error, including the check engine light activation and poor engine performance, ensures that timely action can be taken. Following the outlined troubleshooting steps diligently is essential in diagnosing the issue accurately, and this can lead to successful repairs. It's also crucial to implement any preventive maintenance measures afterward to avoid reoccurrence. By understanding these key points, vehicle owners can take a proactive approach to vehicle maintenance, ensuring longevity and optimum performance. Please like and subscribe to the channel. See you next time.